Did you know the famous Trojan horse nearly failed because of a sneeze? After 10 years of war, the Greeks built a massive wooden horse and hid soldiers inside. The Trojans found it outside their gates and debated bringing it in. Then priest Laocoon threw a spear at the horse's side. It made a hollow sound that could have exposed everything. But the Trojans ignored the warning. As they dragged it inside, a Greek soldier almost sneezed. His comrades quickly covered his mouth. One sneeze would have doomed them all. Victory hung by a thread.